Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Split beige MB interior with a burr walnut trim, panorama sunroof. Around back, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, get a clean set of all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 2 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 55,177 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.